Good day. This Module 2 was about you, your preferences for working in a team and forming teams. To start with the latter, we realized that working in teams is a challenge in a MOOC environment. Certainly, at the same time, following a course in project management without working in a team does not really fit our view on the essence of project management. Remember, people are key. So please try to gather in small teams using the Team tab and make teams up to 10 persons. These will be the teams that you work with in the remainder of this course. Try to motivate your team members by being an active contributor to the assignments. And if you feel uncomfortable in the team, it is not too late yet to change. What are typical topics your teams are interested in? Well, it ranges from catchy names like renewable energy enthusiast to long ones that trigger curiosity. Design of road and bridge upgrades in a remote tropical island developing country. You like to work on house renovation or church renovation and building community centers. Both old and new energy projects are included. Most teams do mention their interest in the title, which is a good idea to attract other teammates. All in all, you see the diversity of the topics mentioned, indeed with the common factor being engineering. If you did not decide your topic yet, you could also just go for the wind farm project, the example from the book. One general tip, don't make it too complicated. Try to scope your project to something feasible for this course. The project execution plan that you will write is finished in a couple of weeks, whereas for a mega project, you obviously would need way more time. We also noticed that you are finding ways to meet each other outside the edX environment. Great and fully understandable, so please continue if it helps your team process. But please also do realize that we can only provide support on the information and questions you also share with us in the team tool. And of course, general questions regarding course content can be shared through the question and answer forum at the end of every module. Please note that only verified learners have access to the quizzes. I will not discuss your performance on the weekly quizzes because the deadline for submission of all the quizzes is set for the end of the course. But for us, it's nice to see your progress. Let's keep up the good work. Enjoy Module 3 that will be launched later today. Till next week.